So this is a pineapple, and there is a very interesting mathematics in this pineapple. So that is called as the Fibonacci series. So before going into this, let us first understand what is Fibonacci series. It's an interesting pattern. The pattern is, if you just add 1 plus 1, it is 2. Okay, if you want this 3 is the addition of the previous two numbers, 1 plus 2. Next number, if you see, it is the addition of the next, the behind two numbers, 2 plus 3 5. 8 is an addition of previous two numbers, 3 plus 5 8. Same way it goes on, and this is called as the Fibonacci series. This pattern in this pineapple. So here already I have pinned. Okay, here you can see the spirals going in this manner, and spirals going in also in this manner. Okay, now we'll first see, if you see the spirals going in, the spirals are going in this manner here. Count this, how many spirals: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. You can see there are 13 spirals here. Okay, it is again a Fibonacci series. Now we'll count this manner. Okay, so I'll just start one. I'll just start with this blue color. 1 2 3 4. Okay, here you can see 5 6 7 and 8. I started with the blue, so there are 8 in this manner, opposite manner. So 8 is also a Fibonacci series. So generally, if a fully grown Fibonacci series is there in nature, that will help the to maximum absorption of sunlight. And there is a lot of science behind it, but this is a basic thing. So this is the interesting pattern behind this pineapple. Thank you.